So I'm going to do a little experiment today. I have all of these used up sanding pads for my Perform Max multi-tool, and they are sandpaper with Velcro loops on the back so that they can stick to the sanding apparatus on the tool. Normally these would just go in the trash and just buy another pack, but today I want to see if we can cheapskate this a bit, save a few bucks. So my idea is to glue them onto some sandpaper sheets and cut them out and see if we can't reuse them. I figured gluing them first and then cutting them after they're glued would make more sense than cutting out each one and gluing each one individually. Try some 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. Try and get as many on a sheet as I can. Sure, there could be a more optimal pattern to get more on. And a bit of parchment paper on top. The best paper on the planet. Let that glue up and give it a try. Alright, we've been pressing for a couple hours now. And that just peels right off, just as it should. And it's still pretty tacky, but that's fine. Yeah. So just cut them out with some scissors. For that one, they look good, but the real test, obviously, is if they work. So far, so good. Well, I'd say that's a success. So, if you have the supplies and the time, you want to save a few bucks, reuse your old pads, resurface them, and you're good to go. That's actually pretty cool.